my channel. My name is SARA LAU and I am here to show you a warm fall, autumn, pumpkin spice latte, cinnamon inspired look. So let's begin. I'm going to start off with the Amore Pacific SPF 50 Cushion CC Color Control Cushion Compact. This is in the color light, medium, and yellow base. Just using the sponge applicator, I'm gonna go and blot it in. Next, I'm going to start with the eyes using the NARS eyeshadow primer. With a eyeshadow brush, I'll be using the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow brush. With the color Cayenne, I'm going to apply it just across the entire lid. And then I'll be buffing it out with the Stila No. 9 buffing brush and going into the color 𝕁𝔬𝔪. Now going into the color Sauced with the same buffing brush, just blending the outer edges again, all the way up. Taking what's left over on the eyeshadow brush with the Cayenne, I'm just gonna rim the lower part of the eye and connect it on the outer corners. Now going into a Kat Von D Raw Power in their Metal Crush shadow with the eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply this on the outside half of the bottom lid and then blend it up into the crease and above. To add a little bit more depth, going into 𝔈𝔬𝔫𝔢 on the lower lash line. Whatever is left over, blend it on the outside corner. Now with my finger, I'm going to use the color Lumbre or Lumber, and just apply it from the inner corner to the center. Now with the concealer, Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher in No. 3. First, I'm going to take a Fix-It spray and spray it. For a little bit of brightening, I'm going to use the concealer from Clé de Peau. This one is Beige, and I'll just apply that blush, we're going to use the Glossier Cloud Paint in Haze. Fenty Beauty in Chic Freak, and Girl Next Door. And I'm going to use the Sephora 79 brush. Starting with the Girl Next Door. Then going in with Chic Freak and buffing out the highest point of the cheekbone to make it extra shiny. And the secret with the Fenty Beauty highlighters is that the more you buff it, the glowier it gets. I'm going to top it off with the NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder, just to warm up the cheeks a little bit more. Finishing touches are going to be the Marc Jacobs Fine Wine Eyeliner, and this is going in the lower lash line. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more shimmer on the inner corners of the eyes with the Fenty Beauty. Finishing touch is going to be LimeCrime liquid lipstick. The LimeCrime liquid lipstick in Dream Girl. Oh my god, my hands are shaking. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the subscribe button or comment below and let me know. It is so hot in this room. Okay. Hi there, I am SARA LAU and I am here to bring you a warm, fall-inspired look. This is all done with, oh my god, I don't know what to say, fuck. Oh, thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day.